Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled accounts on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve this disabled account on ChatGPT app, should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of ChatGPT and you can click this page. Here we'll enter to the window of first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.